Well, hello, you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? Okay, got a strange one for you. After doing that pizza MRE just a little bit ago, I've been interested in other what can we say, civilian style, portable heater meals, meal in a bag, that kind of thing, survival food. Now, granted, like Mountain House and was it Backpackers Country, something like that, they're like the two most popular. But I was in Walmart a while ago. I've had this thing sitting in the pile of shame forever. And I found that by OMEALS, the personal, what do we got? The homestyle meal, the heater up, whatever in there. 2 servings with pepperoni pizza. Now it claims it only takes about 5 minutes to get your pizza nice and warm. But let's get this part out of the way. I can't remember exactly what I paid for it at Walmart because I got it a while ago. Alright? I've also got another one upstairs that's like chocolate chip cookies, so you may be seeing that here on the channel in a little bit. We're going to be bringing more survival type food because I think some of the stuff that's out now is revolutionary in ways that we never had when I was serving in the military. But over on Amazon, as of Sunday, August 21st, 2022, this is $14.99. They have a whole bunch of stuff from OMEALS, and they're under self-heating portable meals. So without much further ado, okay, I do like the fact that they gave you, I don't know if you can see it too well right there, but little steam pack, to let the steam out. This thing says basically open, remove all contents. Oh, great. Insert both pizza pouches into oatmeal bags, add 3 to 5 ounces of water, but I like they give you a little fill line. Open the heating pad, drop in, let steam 3 to 5 minutes. So, let's go to the kitchen and see if we cause a disaster. Alrighty guys, so here we are in the kitchen. Now let's get this bag open. Got your little tear slot right there. Let's see if it goes easily. Yeah, I didn't think it would. Okay. Of course. These are your pizzas. Kind of really reminding me of an MRE. It really, really is. And here is your heating pouch. Sorry for the lighting, like I said, in the kitchen. So, okay. Let's kind of get this thing set up, ready to go. Because I just feel it's going to be a you-know-what. Let's get our water in there. A little more. Yeah, that looks about right. Oop, hold on. Okay, so 1 liter pizza pouch. Yeah, you go in nice and easy, huh? Okay, there's 2. Open the heating element, place in bag with food pouch. So let's get the heating element. Yeah. Doesn't that look like some of the stuff you put inside like your jacket for hot hands and stuff like that? Okay. Getting it in between the pizza pouches. And let's just seal you up. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, and that's starting now.
We'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, well, little tip. It started spitting water right away as soon as the heat thing started to activate. Seriously, it came out of that thing like a geyser. So, when you're doing this in the future, be careful. Point that hole somewhere where, yeah, it's not going to do a lot of harm. But we'll be back. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Sorry, been 5 minutes, and let's get some tongs to get this stuff out of there safely, right? That water is still boiling in there. Oh, don't you fuse together? Okay. I'm not in the mood to play with it. Oh yeah, that's boiling away. So. Seriously? We'll just knock you over. Alright, so we're going to hit pause. Sorry, I know. This video is kind of choppy. Okay, we're going to hit pause. We're going to go back over to the usual chair, and we're going to do a taste test, so stay tuned. Alright, sorry for that little bit of jumpiness. I already took them out of the little Mylar bags they came in. Should have expected this. Nowhere on it did it say open it up and remove the little Desica pouch. So this is going to get interesting. That's what they look like. Does that look familiar to anybody? Like it's the MRE pizza just repackaged a little bit differently? That cheese doesn't look melted. They weren't really hot to the touch. It feels like really, really lukewarm. But here we go. Oh my god. It's the fucking same as that MRE pizza. It's the exact same taste in mouth. I get it. If you're hungry, it's food, it's calories. It is the exact same taste, exact same feel, exact same everything as that MRE pizza. It really truly is. Would I recommend it? For emergencies, yeah, you gotta eat, right? I mean, you can go, 3 weeks without food? You know, the 3, 3, and 3. 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food. I think I got that right. But still, now we're at the favorite part of this video for me. Seriously. Now that I don't have to eat that crap anymore. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. All that fun stuff right down below. Have you ever tried any of the OMEALS before? Have you tried the pizza one? Do you like it? Have you had successes? Have you had failures? I would love to know all that stuff right down below. This is my first foray with this company. I'm not impressed because it is the exact same as that MRE pizza. Same look, same taste in mouth, same feel, same doughy thing to the crust. It really didn't even feel warm, so 5 minutes to heat that up, and it really didn't do anything? Okay, but like I said, I get it. Survival food, you're hungry, it's going to do in a pinch. But if I made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, which I'm pretty sure I did for some of you, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger the algorithm and like get this insanity out there to other people, maybe prevent some people from buying that crap. But still, oh man, guys, thank you so much for watching this one. Like I said, it's my first foray into survival food. Well, except the MREs. But still, we're going to have different ones, more interesting ones, and we're going to see what we can come up with. But I want to thank all of you for watching this one. I hope you're having a great day, a safe day. We'll see all of you in our very next video.